How to add objects on MetaTrader 4. Are you guys facing issues to add objects like trend line or horizontal line and MetaTrader 4 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 4 on your Android or iPhone devices. Once you open the app, now look at the top of your screen where you can see the icon for object. Click on it. Now click on add object. You can see the multiple objects over here. If you want to add the rectangle, then simply tap on rectangle. Once you click on it, now tap on the chart and drag it to the left side. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add object on MetaTrader 4. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.